police interaction with the Black community have been prominent in the news recently. Our solution looks at providing a means for victims and witnesses to contribute to the incident report that is developed.
Our solution will help victims of police brutality by providing a 360 perspective of the events that took place, and hopefully this would enable accountability to any of the police officers that were involved.
So the main purpose here is to essentially compare police reports with accounts from witnesses and victims and compare how similar their descriptions were.
From an open source perspective, for the blockchain, we use Hyperledger Fabric. For the UI framework, we use Vue.js. For containerization, we use Docker. And then for extracting text out of the video, we use FFmpeg.
Stand up to systemic racism and make our community stronger.